Push up. Start in a plank position with hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Lower your chest towards the floor by bending your elbows, then push back up until your arms are extended. Squat. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, lowering your hips as if sitting into a chair, keeping your chest up and back straight, then return to standing. Lunge. Step forward with one leg, lowering your hips until both knees are bent at approximately a 90-degree angle, with your front knee directly over your ankle and your back knee hovering above the floor, then push back to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Plank. Hold your body in a straight line from head to heels, supported by your forearms and toes, engaging your core muscles to prevent your hips from sagging or rising too high. Burpee. Begin standing, then drop into a squat with your hands on the floor. Kick your feet back into a plank position, then immediately jump your feet back to the squat position. Stand up, optionally adding a jump at the top with hands overhead. Sit up. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your hands behind your head or crossed over your chest. Engage your core to lift your upper body off the floor. Dumbbell row. With a dumbbell in one hand, hinge at your hips so your torso is almost parallel to the floor, supporting your other hand on a bench or your knee. Keeping your back straight, pull the dumbbell up towards your chest, squeezing your shoulder blade. Lower the dumbbell with control and repeat. Bicep curl. Stand or sit upright, holding a dumbbell in each hand with palms facing forward. Keeping your elbows tucked close to your body, curl the weights up towards your shoulders by contracting your biceps. Slowly lower the dumbbells back to the starting position.